So Digant Mittal towards a better world, towards a better world, Digant Mittal.
Friends, just tell there is a virus, although we are having a nice time with coronavirus, although not a nice time, but an adventurous time with coronavirus. But there is a virus that has been on this earth since not just centuries but millenniums. This virus has spread not through contact, not through sneezing out or coughing, but through ideas and but also through compromise. Can any one of you tell me what it is? Or if you don't know about it, just raise your hand. If you don't know about the virus which I'm going to talk about, just raise your hand. Alright, so I'm introducing to you this virus which we have known for more than 1,000 years. It's corruption. And in this speech, I'm going to share with you how I found that one of the strictest laws in this world, UK Bribery Act, has been effective in managing this problem of corruption in United Kingdom. Uh, the United Kingdom. So in this situation, I'm going to share with you about this UK Bribery Act, which has received the royal assent on 8th of April 2010 after a hot debate upon what are the various factors through which the country of United Kingdom can actually manage this menace of bribery. But before that, I am quoting before you the example of Suraya. She was living in London. She was having her own business of constructing roads, and she talked to a town official, government official, about the contract to build road. The official demanded money. Suraya paid $1 million to the official, and there she had to make a compromise again. She made compromise in the quality of road that she was building. Apart from that, she didn't pay proper salary to her workers. All this compromise and all this problem related to finances made it difficult for her. And one day, there was a news that Suraya has filed for bankruptcy. Apart from this one Suraya, there are millions of Suraya who have made compromise regarding corruption, who have not just made this compromise regarding corruption, but also this compromise affected the country at large also. To quote before you the example of Mary Jo, she was very much in panic when her purse was smashed by a thief on the roadside. She rushed to police station and talked to Khalid, the police official. The police official. So this official demanded that Mary Jo should pay him $200 for catching that thief, and she paid. In this case, as per Section 1 and 2 of UK Bribery Act 2010, giving money as bribe and receiving money as bribe are two sides of a coin. Means Mary Jo is also guilty of crime of corruption, as well as Khalid is also guilty of crime of corruption. Apart from this, I'm taking you to the example of Mary Jo once again. She was employee of company of Suraya, and she embezzled or stole some amount of money from Suraya. There, she was caught by the auditor, Tamara, and she bribed Tamara with $2,000 to hide her fraud. Apart from this, there was also example of Suraya who bribed an official in India for allowing her to construct a building. So bribing a foreign official also was a crime, is a crime under Section 6 of this Act. Not just the official who is living in United Kingdom or in the country in question, but also the foreign corrupt officials also. And most importantly, I'm telling you the case of Kareem, who was also the employee of Mary Jo, who was having a business of selling medicine. Kareem visited a doctor and said that we will be financing your trip to Hawaii if you write our drugs. The doctor wrote this drug on a wrong prescription and the patient died. Since Kareem was the employee of Mary Jo, Mary Jo was liable and she was held guilty for crime of having those steps in of not having those steps in the company that would have prevented corruption through her company or her employees. This is as per section 7 of UK Bribery Act, and the most important part is the case of Manuel, who was a spy. In order to stop the terrorist plot from happening, he had to bribe a vendor. So he was okay. The law provided him immunity under section 13. But if Manuel bribed local police official for his work, he was held guilty of crime of corruption. So friends, I implore you today on this stage, let's learn from this law about the things that we can implement in our country to make our country much more safe from corruption, and let's persevere towards implementing those options. With this, I put an end to my word. Thank you.
Thank you, Digant, for uncovering all the bribery and corruption we have at Mercury. Shame!